The Sun, the nearest star to us, is simply one of billions of stars that make up the galaxy. It's something special, perhaps the most priceless planet in the cosmos planet. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Only Earth is known to host life. Our evolutionary path as humans started on this lovely blue marble. However, like the daring explorers of old who ventured beyond their horizon, we have to leave our cozy home and travel far into the unknown. Our eventual destination is over there, past that huge brilliant ring of gas and dust. The Milky Way galaxy's center. The Moon, the distantiest location humans have ever traveled, will come first. Then we must completely exit the solar system and go via the region between the stars. We will need to go beyond the limits of possible in order to reach the center of our galaxy. Exceed the speed of the cosmos. We need to move more quickly than anything has ever moved. Many old stories were based on that eerie strip of light and gas in front of us, as well as local myths. The axis of the night, a silver river flowing across the sky. The root of the birds and a goddess spilled milk. Prior to the development of the telescope, the Milky Way galaxy's real nature was unknown to humans. If you could look up or down and see the Milky Way, hundreds of billions of stars would make up what would appear to be a massive spiral. Gas and dust. Our solar system is situated on the innermost spiral arm of the galaxy. The galactic center is around 26,000 light-years away, a trip that would need the interstellar. The Voyager 1 spacecraft took about 450 million years to construct. But we're moving quickly. Faster than any previously launched probe. Thousands of light-years separate us from our solar system already. There is currently no going back. Mostly due to the fact that we move many hundred light-years every second. A star is each of these hazy, brilliant spots that we are speeding by, and on average, at least one planet, some of which are about the size of Earth, orbits each star, and are found in the habitation zone. If there are planets out there that may support life is yet unknown. How commonplace or wonderful the Earth actually is will only become clear with time. However, the galaxy is currently quiet. Back home, there is the only life we are aware of. We have now traveled hundreds of light years from our solar system. In fact, the Earth feels like a distant memory at this point. But there's not much more to go. Because the Milky Way galaxy's core is contained within that brilliant mass up ahead. You'll see that stars are concentrating heavily around us as we get closer. The galaxy's center. Stars are often only a few light weeks distant from each other in this area. One another. Unlike at Earth, where they are widely apart, and our galaxy's neighborhood light years. The stars here are so close together that if you were to find yourself standing atop You would see a brilliant light show every night on one of the planets in orbit. The very center of the galaxy is surrounded by a swarm of luminous, huge stars circling a hidden target. A giant in slumber. These stars move. They rotate this enigmatic item so quickly that many of them accomplish one rotation. Just a few decades. The Sun travels for more than 200 million years. Our voyage has traveled 26,000 light years and is almost over. That brilliant light in the distance is Sagittarius A*, which is both our last stop and the Milky Way galaxy's nucleus. The location of a supermassive black hole, a cosmic monster. Possibly the galaxy's most interesting item, the ultimate result of gravitation, is the constellation Sagittarius A*. It weighs 4.3 million times as much. That of the Sun, all packed into a space that is less than Mercury's orbit. However, the supermassive black hole itself is not what we are seeing right now, but the whirling, very hot substance that surrounded it. The accretion disk, a narrow gas flow, is the name given to that spinning ring of debris and dust that has nearly entered the supermassive black hole but has not yet. Rather, it develops the event horizon, or the point of no return, is surrounded by a flattened ring of rotating matter. The accretion disk also contributes to the formation of those strong jets that are shooting into space, as it moves in the direction of the supermassive black hole at its core. The falling material rotates more quickly and quicker, heating up more and more, creating magnetic fields and a spinning black hole, which grows into a twisted cone and extends into space by thousands of light years, removing massive amounts of deadly radiation. We have now arrived at the destination of our excursion, the very core into the chaotic center of the Milky Way galaxy. But this is a one-way excursion, precisely like the matter that passes through a black hole's event horizon. There is currently no going back. It's too far to go now. Did you like the long voyage to the center of the Milky Way galaxy from Earth? Should you, then please click the like button, leave a comment below, and think about subscribing. It really helps me maintain my channel and keeps me working on these grand journeys throughout the universe. Thank you very much for viewing. If you need a little more room, see this video. I'll see you all again soon to talk about the obscure dwarf planets at the border of our solar system. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.